Today, we're going to take a scenic boat tour on Lake Mead, just outside of Las Vegas. Destination, the Hoover Dam, one of America's most iconic landmarks.
This is Magellan,
And this is Greyhound.
where we make videos about epic road trips, kayaking, hiking, and other outdoor adventures.
Located just 30 minutes outside the Las Vegas Strip, you'll first make your way to the Lake Mead National Recreation Area. Here, you'll need to pay the entrance fee, which I believe is $15. Continue on towards the marina and park in the dirt lot. Plenty of space before heading to Lake Mead Cruises to check in. Batteries and Santa Claus not always included. Check out the gift shop, get your boarding pass, or grab a drink while you wait. There are usually 2 tours daily, 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. And while the tours may not sell out completely, booking your tickets online is highly recommended. They go for about $50, and children are half that price. Eventually, you'll begin boarding onto the Desert Princess, a 3-level paddle wheel vessel with unobstructed views. In addition to being able to sit and roam on each level, there's a bar and grill as well. Considering the cruise is 90 minutes, you'll have plenty of time for both as you listen to the onboard narration. Among some of the things you'll learn about, Lake Mead is the largest reservoir in the United States. It lies between southeastern Nevada and northwestern Arizona and was formed in the 1930s by the construction of the Hoover Dam, itself an engineering marvel, and stretches 110 miles in length. Today, many people enjoy boating, fishing, diving, hiking, and camping in and around Lake Mead. On our cruise, I saw people kayaking, jet skiing, stand-up paddleboarding, and water skiing. Given the beautiful scenery, I'd want to do that too. The construction of the Hoover Dam began during the Great Depression and employed thousands of workers with the initial intent to control flooding, particularly in Southern California. This balancing of water flow helped farmers year-round and transformed the Southwest. Another important purpose became water supply to all the tens of millions of people depending on water from the Colorado River. And lastly, as a hydroelectric plant, the Hoover Dam would provide power to millions of people. And today, as it was then, it still plays a major role in power generation, water storage, and flood control. The thing I think I find the most unique about this cruise is that you get to see the Hoover Dam in a way most people don't. Being a kayaker who likes to explore sea caves, it's nothing short of remarkable to be able to see the 726-foot-high concrete fence and towering walls of the Black Canyon from the water. You can also see the Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge spanning 900 feet over the Colorado River. Truly an impressive display of the man-made and the environment. After a brief stop to take pictures, you'll make your way back to the marina. Have you been to the Hoover Dam? And have you taken this boat tour? Let us know in the comments. We'll see you on the trails or in the water.